Speech and you're nervous.
Definitely, I don't do this for a living.
That's true. But don't worry.
I prefer sitting on a
Any
chair.
mistake is no problem.
Yeah, still, my first time in front of school.
What if I take it back from you and then you'll die?
Death is not an option.
I think if we are done with the photograph, we can start the proceedings.
I feel like I'm cheating.
I'll be like,
With your permission, definitely.
it's gonna happen.
I just realized how much harder your job is.
My job is.
So here we have the new brand ambassador, the first brand ambassador of CR. And I would like to say a few words about Mariniti. कहते हैं कि किसी के पास कुछ नहीं होता है तो उस पे हंसती है दुनिया. किसी के पास कुछ नहीं होता है तो उस पे हंसती है दुनिया. किसी के पास सब कुछ होता है तो उससे जलती है दुनिया. और सिया के पास है परिणति जैसी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर जिसके लिए तरसती है दुनिया.
क्या बात.
Sir, so sweet. Thank you.
Friends, without taking much of your time, I know we are little delayed. May I request our young generation, the young leader who came up with this idea of SIA, the innovative idea of making SIA.
See what's going to happen. It should be a disaster.
I request Harshit to come up or say a few words from there itself.
You have to stand now, come on.
Which quite a few of you all would have had is why a press conference. Well, the house of CR Arms, you can hear me, right?
सबको सुनाई दे रहा है?
Thank you. The house of the House of CR Arms has always been known universally as a company that delivers high fashion, elegance, and blended fabrics for the menswear, for suitings, for shirtings, for trousers. I mean, we are almost a household name in that.
Loud sound.
Seriously, take the hand mic. Seriously.
He is introducing
Not this one, not this, not this.
Repeat it again. It's okay.
The first question, which most of you must have had in mind, is why and for what are you keeping this press conference? Well, the House of CR Arms has always been known universally as a company who delivers blended high fashion shirting and suiting fabrics. Elegance, grace, style and charisma are almost synonymous with the name of CR Arms. It's basically a household name. So with our worldwide reputation of creating things with the panache at the back of our minds, we decided to unveil our first ever fashionable Indian ethnic and lifestyle brand, SIA, for women. And I believe that unless we try to do something beyond what we have already mastered and achieved, we can never grow. So we at CR Arms have a history of being associated with some of the biggest names in the industry, including Hrithik Roshan, Saif Ali Khan, Lara Dutta, Priyanka Chopra, sports stars like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupathi, and even Boris Becker. But success will never lower its standard to accommodate us. We have to raise our standard to achieve it. And we wanted history, right?
Very good, very good.
We wanted history to repeat itself of being associated with the best. And today, who's the best? It's none other than today's most popular style icon who appeals to the fashion-conscious girl as well as young at heart women. She's the face of India.
परिणति, 2 लाइन आपके लिए मैं फिर से इजाजत दूंगा हूँ.
Please.
वो पल भी क्या पल होगा जब खुदा तुम्हें बना रहा होगा. वो पल भी क्या पल होगा जब खुदा तुम्हें बना रहा होगा. कि खुद खुदा भी परेशान होगा उस वक्त क्योंकि हर कोई आपको पाने के लिए खुदा को मना रहा होगा. With these few words, may I present Mariniti to say a few words about the brand she is endorsing.
How sweet, sir. Thank you. मैं जब एंटर हुई थी तो मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट थी, लेकिन आई हर्ड लाइक आई थिंक टू मेनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, सो आई एम फीलिंग वेरी गुड. थैंक यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. For me, it's a very proud moment today कि CR Arms and we and me have agreed to join hands to promote this new women's wear line. हम लोग हमेशा बचपन से सियाराम मेंस वेयर की एड देखते थे, where that come home to सियाराम was a very famous tagline जो हम लोग सब गाते थे. And I guess after I became an actress, yeah, when I started thinking about what I wear, you always think of different brands and different designers that you want to work with. And of course, at some point it struck me that, you know, Siaram's doesn't have a women line. Lo and behold, they came to me with an offer to endorse it. So I feel very proud. More than anything for the brand that I'm associated with. Also to be the first brand ambassador of the women's line, I think is a great achievement for me. And I just hope that all the nice things that you guys have said about me are true, first of all. And I hope I live up to all of that. So thank you. And I hope that this is a great, great association.
Thank you so much, Raji, for the kind words. Now, I would like the press to start your question answer session. You know what to
Oh God.
About the brand, the textile, the material which we are going to launch. You can ask any question, but please, the questions will be restricted to Sia and its brand and the collection, the logo or whatever about Sia. Nothing else. That's all.
जी उनको माइक चाहिए.
Sorry.
They were waiting for me. Sir, say it.
That's true.
It's true. We were waiting for Pariniti.
Oh, this is the answer. Good. I was also waiting for them. I was like, मैं और कुछ sign नहीं करूँगी, मैं सिर्फ ये sign करूँगी. Actually, they have already thought of a great thing already. You know, we always used to say, "Come home to Siaram," and now it's actually changed to "Come home to family." It's not only about the men. They've been given too much importance by Siaram. Now it's time for us also. So now it's changed to "Come home to family."
As she said that when she was small, she used to see that ad of come home to Sierra, but she used to feel upset. Why was he like that? And then she grew up and she became a now she said, you want to become the brand ambassador. And now it's a full circle. Come home to family.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I couldn't hear.
So we can't hear you.
Total contribution of Siaram में इतना है तो साउंड का इतना है.
ये माइक दे दीजिए ना.
ये मैं मेरा माइक कर दे.
फर्स्ट ईयर में सियाराम के रेवेन्यू में कितना कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाएगा?
हमारा एस्टिमेट है कि इट शुड कम टू समवेयर अराउंड 15 to 20%.
सारे सेगमेंट में होगा.
All segments, all across the board. Like in Siaram, it will be all across the board.
मेरे साथ कितना? I think it's 2 years. What is it?
Why do we have to be?
It's a
Siaram.
वो secret है.
Siaram has started with her. Why would we ever think of ending it with her? Siaram, hello. As Pariniti may have mentioned, Siaram is her baby as well. She's never gonna let it go.
Yeah.
It
That's the
started with
intention.
me, yeah. Now I won't let it go.
Sorry.
It was calling you home.
Actually,
I apologize in the beginning only for the inconvenience.
No, so much fun to come by ferry. I took the ferry. It was very exciting. I also shot Hasi Do Fasi here for almost 2.5 months. So I used to come every day. So for me, it's really coming home to Mud Island. But I think more importantly, we had to shoot in the studio because we've been shooting since morning, and we had lots and lots and lots and lots of shots and lots and lots and lots and lots of clothes. So we needed like a big studio because we had many setups. So we shot here. Yeah. Otherwise, you can ask production. No, like I said, my association with them is absolutely new. It's absolutely brand new because Sia is a new brand. It is for women's wear, etc. And apart from my sister, many other celebrities were off and on associated with Sia Rams, the men's brand. So for me, it's a completely brand new association. Yeah. Yeah. Better without the mic. Well, I've always been, I think, I think almost 2.5 years ago, Anupama Chopra had done one interview with me where she had spoken about my brand kitty or brand portfolio, where I had said that for me, films are very important, but being part of different brands is also very important. So these 10 brands or 11 or 12 or 30 brands are not new. I've always been part of a Wow. Well, yeah, it's mostly traditional because I think Sia Ram stands for that. It is a traditional brand. It's so old, this brand, so we will always, I think, give importance to Indian ethnic wear first. Having said that, there are different campaigns that we're going to come up with. First is more young, then there is festive, there are different kinds of, they have all kinds of designs ready for us. So this is the first campaign, and then you will see more and more, and you will see different clothes also.
Of course, why not? That's a good idea. We keep all options open over here because Sia, we think, can be such a big brand that we would never restrict possibilities.
That would be awesome. There is the collection is called Pariniti for Sia or Sia by Pariniti something. No, it is already the first campaign that we did. Her name is Sia?
No. I'm coming from the male part to the female part.
Oh, yes.
From Sia Ram to Sia.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
You're the one person we can hear.
Yeah, we can hear you.
You're right. Fine. No problem.
My name is Binjan. I'm a journalist with She the People, focus on women's news. So, what is your take on the way the fashion industry portrays women? And do you think we broaden our definition of beauty? And what do you think you can do hand in hand with Sia to maybe change a certain trend that has been prevailing for you?
Mic is disappeared. Many questions. I'll take them one by one. First thing is, how does the fashion industry portray Indian women or all women? I think, to me, that question fundamentally is wrong because the fashion industry caters to all kind of women, and women of all types can cater to different kinds of fashion. So I don't think anyone is limiting the other. So if I like to wear a sari, I can. If I like to wear a pair of shorts, I can. So the fashion industry allows me to do what I want to do with my body and my style. Nobody is forcing me to wear what they want me to wear, right? So I think fundamentally that doesn't make sense to me. What was the other question? How can we change it? I don't know what is there to change, honestly. I just feel that yes, the fundamental thing of people dressing for their body type, their skin color, their style, anything, I think that needs to change. We should not fall prey to existing fashion trends which are okay for certain kind of girls. I think everybody should wear what they want to. And I think Sia as a brand allows that. Like I said, we may start with a perfectly simple outfit like this and we can go up to a bridal. So I think Sia as a brand will be able to help all kinds of all kinds of women and girls to dress.
And what do you feel about actors advocating activism nowadays? There's no new trend like Deepika Padukone with the My Choice video, for example. So
If I answer this question, they will kill me.
Okay.
See, the women's wear as a whole is a massive industry. And there's no denying the buying power that women hold in this country. So I want to start pan-India. We have multiple we have multiple stores that are already CRM based. And there are multiple MBOs. So we are in talks with all of them. On a retail perspective, we want to bring Sia to every shop near you, to every nook and cranny, to the neighborhood store, to the to the mom and pop store, also to the lifestyle and the shopper store, also to CRM stores. It should be everywhere. And honestly, the brand can be so big that why limit it? Why should we limit it? Sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah, we already have CRM based exclusive brand outlets that we plan on including into our plan. But if someday possible, if someday we should be looking into Sia as well.
Has to happen.
We had a conversation about this just today. We've just spoken to her about her direct inputs into all our designing for a specific catalog, just like you said, a signature collection just for Pariniti. I'm answering that. Basically, we are in talks with everyone. As I said, since we're just launching the brand, there's no formal agreement that has been issued. But we are in talks with everyone. We hope that you all will be able to find us on every platform, large or small, available online, so that the consumer gets the benefit of shopping where he's most comfortable.
No, all.
I think we want to be present across all platforms. We are trying to stay away from exclusive at the moment. I'm really sorry, but please stick to the brand.
No, I think when Sia will present their house,
Yeah, that's okay, but this question I can answer.
This discussion we can have it later on. About the network, CRM has got more than 1 lakh outlets throughout the country. And on the same pattern, similarly, we are going to distribute Sia also. We are going to have outlets all along through the country, pan-India.
I can't hear.
Hey, one at a time, please.
Hey, sir, don't get angry. I think I'll leave that to the experts. I mean, I told them informally that if you need any feedback, I can give it to you. But that would be more according to my personal taste. But the actual creative designing, I will leave to the experts. They've been doing this for hundreds of years, so I think they should continue to do it, not me.
We are already in talks, and I think CRM has already got, what number is CRM? 200. CRM has about 200 franchisee-based stores at the moment. So I think our initial step will be to include Sia in most of those stores, to as many that have the space that can accommodate it. I mean, the investment is not required at the moment because CRM already has such a large infrastructure. We get to build on extension.
Tied up with me?
We've tied up with Pariniti. What more do you need? We have a whole bunch of designers who are designing all across India. We prefer to get the younger generation involved. So, in fact, every youngster that is willing to design is more than welcome to design for Sia. It's almost like a call to action. But the idea is that we want youngsters to design. We are willing to see what is available. Obviously, we will have our input put into all designs, but we've not tied up with anyone per se. We have contract-based exclusive with young designers all over India. We have multitudes of people. I wouldn't limit
Son's
us
writing
to
a book
one.
on you.
Good, man.
He's writing a book.
I wouldn't want to limit it to one target group. India is very diverse and it is a very big country with a very big population. I think Sia, just like Sia Ram, can cater to every segment of the Indian market as possible. Every segment.
Is this on? Hello? You have to hold it closer. Yes, sir. My collection, I'll tell you. Their collection for summer, you should ask them. Like we said, today is our launch. They do have, I've shot a catalog for them, which now will go into production, etc., which already must be on, but now they will, start to sell these pieces. And I guess they will also kind of get feedback from the public as to what they want. I think each collection will be determined by what people want. So I think we can answer that question only 3 months from now, not today. Summer mein yaar, I like to wear shorts, and this is not the correct platform to say that. Can you make shorts, please?
Why not?
But yeah, I like to wear light and airy clothes, yeah, like everybody else. No, it's fine, and let them ask a couple of personal questions if they want, if I can answer. Yes.
I'll say that.
Sir is very worried about the questions that you're asking. He's getting very scared.
No. I am not getting scared. You can ask a few personal questions, and if she feels she can answer, it's fine.
Hey, don't encourage her.
But that's if she's ready to answer, it's fine. Okay.
He is getting too worried right now. Okay, yeah. Yes, so about my house, yes, I have very recently, Touchwood, found my house and bought it. And you guys already know, so many times I've said to you that I was dying to buy a house in Bombay, and it's finally happened with God's grace, so I'm very happy. And it's in Bandra. It's a beautiful sea view apartment, so I'm very happy. No, not yet. So I've just started my interior work. My architect is living there almost. I have no idea. I either want it tomorrow, yeah, but when they get it ready and when I'm ready to move in, it'll happen. She's, I think, busy with her own house also. But yeah, and because it just happened, I just told her like 4 or 5 days ago, I told her when it was finalized. So yeah, we are all planning a pizza party very soon in the house. For sure, honestly, I want all of you to come when the house is ready. Please come and have like a great pizza party because I'm very excited. Open invitation to everyone. Please come. I haven't decided yet, so when I decide, I'll announce it. You already asked that. Yes.
Sorry?
Oh God, this person. You need a private meeting with him.
Hey, can you give him a mic?
How do you see the competition with Birla and oh God.
I don't really consider us having any competition at the moment, and that's because I really think that our brand is unique. It is different. We are different from everyone else. We are a consumer name. We target to all markets. We want to get to every household. We want to supply to everyone. And we are already a clothing, so we have the guarantee of Sia Ram behind our fabric. We have the endorsement of Parineeti Chopra behind our style. And we have the wonderful young designers who are making trendy outfits to set the fashion of tomorrow. So as a combination, I just think we are unique in our own way. And I don't see anybody as competition, neither do I see us as being a threat to anyone. I think we are just in the business for the long run. Business is huge, so why do we have to worry?
Anything else? Awesome, wrap up.
Thank you.